In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Minecraft Java multiplayer if it's not working, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by logging on to the Microsoft webpage. You're going to click on your profile and click on My Microsoft Account. Once it opens up, you're going to have to go into your privacy settings. Now, this is important because you are going to be able to see how your Minecraft is being used. Now, once everything is loaded up and confirmed, the first thing that you might want to do is go on to the privacy settings in Xbox, because this is a main part of when you play Minecraft. So as you can see, it'll open up the privacy and online safety for your account, and you're just going to make sure that everyone is allowed on your actual activities. So once this is all allowed, you can also allow this as well and then submit it. And then you're also going to click Xbox Series, all of this right here, and allow these as well. Since you can create and join clubs is blocked, you also might not be able to play multiplayer, so make sure all of these are clicked on allow and submit that. And then that's all there is to it. Your Microsoft multiplayer in Minecraft should work now. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.